Hello, everybody. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2020 and welcome back to DIY Wednesdays with me, your host, Allison Price from The Infused Life. And I'm excited today to share with you a super simple, non-toxic way to transform your time in the shower into your own personal spa with some added health benefits. But before I do that, I want to remind you, if you are new to this journey of cutting out the toxins in your lifestyle and creating products you use on a daily basis yourself so that you know they're non-toxic, the best place to start is with my top 5 DIYs, and you can find them by going to bit.ly/top, the number 5, capital D, capital I, capital Y. And if you've already conquered my top 5 and you're ready to just start taking on your house room by room by room, then you want to head over to my membership site where you can get my Healthy Home Bundle. It includes 5 recipes each for the top rooms in your home that harbor some of the most toxic products. And that is your laundry room, your kitchen, and your bathroom. So you can find all of that over at bit.ly// capital H, and then the word bundle with a capital B. And I will link all of that up in the show notes for you as well. So today, let's talk about shower melts. All right, these are amazing because they transform your shower into a personal spa experience, but you get to customize that experience by the essential oils that you add into your melts. So always make sure that you are using high quality, pure, top-notch essential oils. And if you are looking for more of a relaxing experience, you might want to do things like lavender and sandalwood and cedarwood. If you're looking for a more grounding and calming experience, some of your more calming oils like lavender and Roman chamomile blend really well with any kind of wood oil. Wood oils are very grounding, so frankincense, cedarwood, arborvitae, blends like balance and serenity are going to be great to use. And especially this time of year, it's January at the time I'm doing this video, especially this time of year, if you are looking for respiratory support, peppermint, eucalyptus, laurel leaf, those are all going to be great ones. But if you are a fan of the Breathe blend, the Breathe blend is going to be your go-to. Another combination that I really love is lavender and eucalyptus. That's always an amazing one. And especially also this time of year, if you're just looking for that extra support for your immune system, especially with all of the cuties that we hear about every day, thyme oil is going to be an amazing one because just breathing in the vapors is going to be beneficial. And thyme smells really good with lemon. I'm going to be honest, it's not my most favorite aroma per se. It's a heavy herby aroma, but it's very powerful in many capacities for supporting overall health and wellness, and it blends really nicely with lemon, or just put a couple drops in with whatever other oils you're adding. But today, I am adding this brand new blend that has been launched by my favorite essential oil company, doTERRA. It is the Air X blend. So this is a blend that has been created and is meant to be an air purifying blend. Of course, everybody's got to make a cameo, right? Maybe they'll go back to school. Maybe. Who knows? So anyways, Air X has been formulated as an air purifying blend, but there are so many great, delicious oils in this blend that support overall cellular health, respiratory support, you name it. So you can use this topically, you can use this aromatically, you can use it internally. Today we are going to put it into our shower melts. And for those wondering, I don't have them all memorized yet, but it's Litsea, grapefruit, frankincense, cardamom, and tangerine. That's what makes up this blend. It smells wonderful. So for your shower melts, you're going to need silicone molds. I have these super cute peace sign molds. Aren't those amazing? Of course, right? Infused Life. So I have these great silicone molds, and then all you need, where's my water? All you need is up to about a 1/3 cup of water. You're going to add it slowly. You may not use it all. And a cup of baking soda. That's it. So to the cup of baking soda, you're going to add 25 drops. I already lost count because I'm talking. If you do more, totally fine. it's just going to make your aroma stronger in the shower, which is great, right? So, pretty sure I've added way more than 25, but I like my aroma heavy, so that's okay. So, take a fork or a whisk and start mixing that in because the oil clumps up into the baking soda. So just kind of distribute it. And then all you're going to do is you're going to slowly add in your water and then continue. I'm tasting baking soda. Continue with your fork to get it into a nice pasty consistency. So this is still a little rough with some dry baking soda in there. So I'm just going to add the rest of it. And hey, if you find you need more than that third a cup, totally fine. Hi, would you like to say hello?
Yeah.
So this is about what we're looking for here. Kind of mushy, like really good snowball making consistency. And so then all you do, then I'm going to take my spoon. Oh, you guys can't see. I'm going to take my spoon and I form these into my mold. And these are just going to melt away in the shower, so they don't have to look perfect. So you form your mold, and then you let them sit. Give it a good 24 hours if you can, just to let them harden up. And then what I do is I just take a glass container and you gently pop them out of the silicone molds. I set the glass container in the bathroom. And then anytime you're in the shower, you're going to take one of these molds and you're going to set it in the shower, not in direct stream of the water. So if I'm here standing under the water, I'm going to want it out a little bit further from the shower so that it slowly dissolves. And what happens is as it slowly dissolves with your shower water, and it combines with the heat and the steam created by your shower water, you get this amazing aroma. So if you're using oils that support your respiratory system, it's going to open things up for you even more than being in a hot shower does to begin with. You're going to be breathing in those wonderful aromas. And for those of us who have been using essential oils for quite some time, we know the power of just smelling the aroma of a pure essential oil. So there you have it. Quick, easy shower melts. I actually needed to make more, so I don't have any finished product to show you. But after these cure tomorrow, I will post a picture so that you can see. They're not perfect. They may crumble a little bit, no big deal, especially depending on the water ratio that you use. But they're all going to do the same job in your shower. So that's it for this Wednesday. It's DIY shower melts. If you make these, share a picture, let me know, tag me in your post. You can also find me over on Instagram under my name, Allison_Price, spelled P-R-E-I-S-S. And if you are ready to get serious about tackling the toxins in your home, then make sure that you sign up for my Healthy Home Bundle. It's a one-time fee for lifetime access, and I will add more recipes to the rooms and that membership site as I create them. So right now there's 5 recipes available for 3 different rooms in your home. It is the laundry room, the bathroom, and the kitchen. And you can get access to that at bit.ly/H, and then the word bundle with a capital B. If you have questions when you're on there, shoot me a message, let me know. And on that note, enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you back here again next week for another DIY Wednesday. Have a good one, everybody.